What if I told you that there was an ink that was compatible with your Roland printer that offers an exceptional color gamut and costs roughly half the price of your current inks? Here at DIGIPRINT Supplies, we've got our DIGINK Ecosolvent ink series called EcoSol Max 3, EcoSol Max 4, and EcoSol Max 5. It's a high-quality alternative to the original inks. It's specifically formulated for plug-and-play compatibility. These inks are chemically miscible with the original inks. This ensures seamless integration. These inks offer vibrant and rich colors and have outstanding scratch resistance, adhesion, and durability on various substrates, including self-adhesive vinyl, banner, paper, and textile. And it's easy to get started with these inks. Because they're fully miscible with the OEM inks, you don't need to flush or create new ICC profiles. Just plug in the new ink and you're ready to print. Our customers use these inks for everyday printing and save thousands in ink costs every year. You might be spending more than you need on ink, and we think these eco-solvent inks are worth a look. With DIGINK, you won't get clogged heads or have downtime. And here's a DIGIPRINT Supplies exclusive. We back it with a parts warranty covering any ink-related damage. Thousands have already switched. Isn't it time you took advantage of some of the same savings while enjoying high-quality results from an ink you can trust? High-intensity color, scratch resistance, and up to 3 years of durability on outdoor applications in these EcoSol Max 3, 4, and 5 inks that are compatible with Roland Ecosolvent printers. That's the DIGINK Ecosolvent ink series.